Guys, later in that evening, we had been to H&M. I had not a lot of clips from this place, so I thought I'll share it in the starting part of the video. I hope you guys like this type of a video, and if you do, let me know in the comments. Also, we didn't buy a lot of things, we just bought two basic t-shirts, so didn't make a haul. But if I do purchase a lot of stuff from there again, I will make a separate video of it.
So nice, right?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling.
गाइज मेरे चश्मे और पर्दे का कुछ अलग रोमांस ही चल रहा है यहाँ पे। बोर्ड नहीं है, बेड बोर्ड जो भी बोलते हो, डैशबोर्ड। डैशबोर्ड नहीं, डैशबोर्ड तो काम के लिए होता है। जहाँ यहाँ पे हेडरेस्ट वाला पोर्शन नहीं है, तो फिर मेरे चश्मे का अलग ही रोमांस चल रहा है। इट जस्ट गोज एंड इंटवाइंस विद द पर्दा, एंड आपको दिख नहीं रही वो लास्ट वीक भी मेरे को मेरा चश्मा नहीं मिल रहा था, एंड आई वॉज लिटरली रानी मुखर्जी फ्रॉम ब्लैक। दैट वॉज द सीन एट होम। मैं अंधी बन के घूम रही थी। बट एनी विच वेज मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में मिलती हूँ। Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Seher, and आज है सैटरडे। अभी हो रहे हैं सुबह के 10:30 बजे। एक्चुअली मेरी नींद डिस्टर्ब हो गई थी बिकॉज somebody knocked on the door, and एक बार मेरी नींद डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है तो फिर I basically cannot sleep. So I thought, why not take this time and do some vlogging, do some work, घर का काम. Any which ways, my whole Saturday goes like that. So let's get started. And first thing on the list is cleaning my brushes. None of the Almira, but cleaning my brushes. I have soaked them for 3 days now, and I don't do any work during the weekdays. I pended everything to a Saturday. But let me just show you. Okay, this is how my brushes look like, and this is the 4th time that I have strained this water, but ye haal hai. So I am going to quickly clean this up, but whatever I do, I will take you along. So if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. Also hit the bell notification button so that every time I upload a video, you are notified of it. Let me also keep this down and show you the condition of the hall. So we have got blinding curtains everywhere, like night जो लाइट ब्लॉक करते हैं वो वाले कर्टन्स, बिकॉज वी आर night shifters, we are night owlers. So we don't like to wake up with the sunlight, and we like to have a nocturnal life. So that's how that is. But I have just opened one parda right now. Okay, so yeah, My husband is sleeping in the other room because he knows on Saturday I film. So this room is all emptied out because I will, wake up and do filming, editing, and all of that stuff. I don't do any of it during the weekdays. Yep, that's about it. Now I've jibber jabbered a lot. Let's get cleaning the brushes. Also, just quickly, I wanted to let you guys know that on how to clean the brushes, I've made an entire video on it. So I'm not going to be showing that in this video. So if you want to see how I clean my brushes, you can check my old video out. ओके तो मैंने ब्रशेस को धो लिए हैं. अभी बैठ के मैं सारे ब्रशेस को सुखा रही हूँ. I have to pre-soak your brushes because most of the residue comes off in that, but don't soak it for as long as I did. Like I did it on Thursday and I'm watching it on Saturday because I'm working on Thursday. I cannot sit and clean the brushes. This is called as the ferrule. So it is obviously having gum or glue, right? And if you soak it for too long, the glue can come off and it will ruin your brushes. सारे brushes बहुत गंदे थे and I've been procrastinating it a lot as in a lot. So that's when I realized कि I have to, and that's the result of all the breakouts and everything. So you need to take care of your tools because an artist is nothing without its tools. Let it be any profession for that matter. And I am lacking in terms of tools. I have purchased one or two here and there and I'm expecting a delivery of those, but yes. I know the lighting is not that great. Bangalore is really gloomy. It's been raining for the past 3-4 days constantly. Sorry, it's been raining for the past 2-3 days. It has somehow not rained this morning as well. And which ways, I sort of just chatting with you guys. And also, right, ever since, like, we don't have a maid, all right. We stopped having we didn't have a maid in this home at all. Like if you've seen my previous vlogs, I think you might have seen that we had a maid in the other home, but ever since COVID, like I lost my grandparents during this wave of COVID, and it was because of a maid who had it that they got it, and ever since then I have been reluctant in having a maid. Not that I fear like my life, everybody has to die one day or the other. It's just that I am around my parents, I'm around my husband, and because of me, my family shouldn't go through a lot. Because when you go through COVID, you go through a lot. You cannot visit the patient, you cannot. So it becomes really difficult for everyone, because not only you are going through something, but the entire family goes through something, and we've been a part of that pain. And everybody says it gets easy eventually, including me. I used to say to people that all the time that it gets better, it doesn't stay the same and things of that sort. Maybe it does get better, maybe you don't remember them every single day, but then it's like waves, you guys. When it comes crashing, and that's really bad. And it's like as if you're playing Jenga and one wrong move can get the entire tower crashing. It's kind of that situation. It's not about you missing them, but it's also about I miss my other set of grandparents, my dada dadi. That comes, and then a lot of things that are happening in your life which you're trying to hold up the fort, everything comes crashing. And post losing my grandparents, I have become very reserved. I have become very quiet. I'm no more a social animal. It takes a lot of time for me to gel with people, and I'm very quiet. I think that is what adulting is about. Yeah, thank you for listening to my vent session. And there was one of this persons who had watched my video, and they were like, you need to stop beating around the bush and keep talking to the point. but that's the whole point of a vlog, right? I mean, if I just come here and be like, I'm cleaning brushes, I'm wiping brushes, and I just go away, you guys wouldn't even watch my videos. I feel that's what it is. And I am a person who likes to tell the entire story of everything that happened around it and then come to the point. That's just me. That's who I am as a person. So I don't think I can change my personality and be fake over here. I am done cleaning my brushes. I'm done venting. And Saturday है तो फिर घर पूरा साफ करना है. As I said, maid नहीं है तो मैं अभी वो करूँगी. एंड फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं. आज मेरे नायका के पार्सल्स आने वाले हैं. Hopefully he can come with this rain and all. I have put hair oil right now, as you can see. And many moons ago, I don't know if you guys remember it or even see my videos. Oh, many moons ago, I had purchased Juicy Chemistries chili and I don't know if it's capturing. Juicy Chemistries chili hostel and black seed oil. As you can see, I have finished quite a bit of it and I've been using this over a month right now. I felt it was the right time for me to give you an update on it. As I was telling you guys, this oil doesn't smell pleasant. It is more like a medicinal oil than the ones you get in the market. So the update on this is that it's a very beautiful oil. Trust me, my hair fall has my hair fall has subsequently reduced. The reason why I'm saying reduce and not stopped is because my hair fall cannot stop. I have hormonal problems, so it won't stop. So let's get that straight. My hormones fluctuate, my hair fall will happen, but it has reduced and my hair strands have become thick, so that's a positive thing. And the bald spots that I was having over here, they are having tiny hair right now, and I am thoroughly enjoying this product. And I was very impulsive to buy another bottle of this during the sale that happened during Diwali and everything, but I just restrained because I have quite a bit of it left and I'm sure I can go through it for another 2 months aram se. But let's see. After that, I will definitely purchase it, and again we'll get some of the other sale, so I will purchase during that. It's hands down like a savior for me right now and I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update on this product because it's definitely a value for your money. And if you are having a lot of hair fall issues, I suggest you and recommend you to pick this up. And you don't have to apply it like all over your head. You just have to take 1 or 2 pumps of it and apply on your scalp. And what I like to do is that I go with coconut oil on the on the ends of my hair, and on the scalp I take 2 pumps. Initially I used to take 2 pumps, but then after that I've been noticing that since my hair is growing thicker and the hair fall is reduced, I am using 3 to 4 pumps as well. So 1 to 2 pumps used to be sufficient for my whole head, and now I need 3 to 4 pumps. That speaks in itself. And I wanted to give you guys an update in case you are planning to pick it up. It's the best time now because there are still sales happening, so you can definitely go ahead and purchase that. I will put a link down. I will put the Juicy Chemistries website, Nykaa, Amazon link as well, so you guys can go ahead and make your purchases. I am in love with it. So I use 2 times a week, but have seen the results, so you guys can purchase it too, and I will link it down. And this is not sponsored, this is something that I purchased and I really like, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So yes, that's it. So for this video there isn't anything much that I plan to do, only that if my Nykaa order comes in, then I will do a video with it. I will again ask you guys to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, show some love. Take care and stay safe. Bye.